Hello, I'm Lisa Sims, owner of Bee and Peacock Organizing, and welcome to this video on how to create a portable workstation. A lot of us are working from home now because of COVID-19, and if you didn't have a home office, you may have had some challenges making that work. You need a location with a flat surface, a comfortable chair, good Wi-Fi, and if you're doing video conferencing, you need a decent background and hopefully some privacy. The problem is everybody else in your house does too. So if you're sharing these optimal locations, it's really important that your work be movable. Creating a portable workstation is a great way to stay organized and be able to assure that you have everything you need when you need it, wherever you are. So step one is contents. Gather everything you need for work. One of the most important concepts from this video is that the contents of the workstation are designated, meaning once you assign something to the workstation, it doesn't leave. So for instance, if you charge your phone at night by your bed, you need to get a second phone charger that only stays in the workstation. And if you use readers, and if you do use readers, you know that you have a lot of these all over the house, then just put a pair in the workstation that don't leave. Every time you take something out of the station and use somewhere else in the house, you run the risk of forgetting to put it back, and then it's not there when you need it. Step two is categorize. You're going to take your contents and sort into general groups. So I have devices, and let's do electronics. And let's create personal and beverage. So I have 4 categories. Step 3, containers. There are 3 important elements to consider when selecting your containers. The first, and I know this seems obvious, but make sure that your bin has handles. Number 2, make sure that your bin and the inside containers are all tall. And there's 2 reasons for this. First of all, a tall container will hold twice as much as a short one. And because this is a portable workstation, you want to make sure that things don't flop around when you're walking. And third, the categories that you created are going to correspond with the number of sections or containers that you need inside the larger bin. So my 4 categories correspond to the 4 spaces inside my station. I'm going to make this one my electronics. So I have my laptop charger, phone charger, earbuds, adapter, mouse. I'll make this one my personal. So I have a little bit of note-taking, hand lotion, Kleenex, and since I have smaller items, I just got a glass and contained those nicely there. My leftover space here is perfect for my beverage. And in the back, my laptop, phone. If I'm going to be taking notes with a legal pad, this is a great place for that. And then of course, if I am using headphones instead of earbuds, those are going to tuck in nicely right there. Another great thing about this design is that you can actually set your laptop on the bin, which will give you a little bit of extra height for those video conferencing camera angles. And now I have everything I need all in one place. If you don't have a flat surface, you can create one by making your workstation out of a large tray, a pillow, and a caddy. So you will just take all your categorized contents into your caddy. When you get where you're going, you just offload your tray, put your pillow in your lap, flip your tray over, and now you have a lap desk. Both of these designs were made using product from the Container Store, but you can use things around the house. Just follow the process. I really encourage you to have fun with this. You spend hours a day with your work stuff. Be creative, find something that makes you smile, and incorporate it into your workstation. It might be that you just love the bins that you selected, or maybe you print out a picture of something you can't wait to do when we're all out and about again. For me, because I love being outside, I cut some flowers from my garden. And every time I look at them, they just make me happy. So figure out what that is for you. Find something to appreciate about your workstation. It really makes such a difference in how you feel about your space. Thank you for watching.